Hello, welcome to Oasia Crafts, and today I decided that I was going to utilize some of the beads that I had in my stash. And so what I came up with was some different designs that you can do if you have some of these, I think they're called baguettes. So you can put some together, like get 4 of them and put this here. I made like a little apple with a round one. I made 2 petals. Over here I got like a circle and some of those. This one I thought looked like a butterfly or a dragonfly. I was not quite sure, but I thought it was a pretty cute design. You can also make some little angels by getting 2 hearts and 2 teardrop ones. This one kind of looks like a cherry blossom. This was made from 4 hearts and a circle in the middle. I did try my little stand and make it either a rabbit, and so I got a baguette right here. I turned it perpendicular, and then I made 2 teardrops. And comment and let me know if you think this one looks like a little rabbit. This is my take at a bow tie. So I kind of moved a little bit. But what I did was you put 2 hearts together, and then you put the circle in the middle of the same color. I also tried in the past to do like a diamond one. And my fingers are a little messed up right now, but that's how it is with crafting. So you can get this. And I did not glue these down. I was just trying different designs. And so you would of course get maybe a glue stick. And like I said, kind of set it down. But you also had in the beginning. This was my take at like maybe like a shooting star. And with this one, I just got a button and then I added some on there. This one almost looks like a cake or a candle with a little flame coming out. And this could be like a bow tie. Not sure if you all like this, but use your stash and be creative. And so in this next project under here, I did like a stencil of this lady right here. And what I did was in her hat, I tried to decorate a little bit with the hat. And so what I did was I used, this is called Using Your Stash. I got one of these hot air balloon stencils, and I just kind of colored the hat right here. And then at the bottom of her little dress, I just added a little stencil down here. I think I used this one. So I turned it one way and turned the other. And then you can color it in and have so many different designs. Another thing I thought about doing was adding some earrings to it. Once I've completed it, using your stash again, and using a square jam and maybe doing that. Like some more earrings, and you kind of put it on both sides. I'm not sure if it worked or not, but I appreciate you stopping by and getting some ideas to use your stash. You never know what you're going to come up to. I hope that you have a wonderful day in crafting and have a great day. one of the things that I do enjoy about crafting is that it helps you to relax and be creative at the same time. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.